Hey, what's going on, guys? This is E from Easy Entrepreneur Platform. All right, so I just want to go over a little bit of like what's in my course and stuff like that. So I'm gonna make a bunch of videos just kind of explaining what's in my course. Not going into in depth. I would rather you guys get on the phone with me and we could talk. You know what I mean, about exactly in depth what's in my course. But I'll just go a little bit over stuff what's in my course. So like this one will be like, my first section, kind of teach you how to build this business to make over 5K plus a month, 10K plus a month. There is a psychology behind building a business, 5K plus a month. So I give you that mindset and exactly how to look at the business and how to approach it, and exactly how I approached it and was able to do this within a year, right? So I show you exactly how to do that, and I simplify for you, so you're not looking so far ahead and you're just taking certain steps day to day, and why you're taking those steps so you can stay motivated and kind of giving you the future outlook of where you're going to be if you continue to take the steps that I teach you on how to build your business up to 5K to 10K plus a month, and even taking it to 20K plus a month. I show you exactly how to do that. So, you guys tap in with me. I'll also give you a quick overview of the business, where boom, you just jump into a video and, you get a quick overview of the business, but very detailed, but a quick overview. And so you can just jump in and start without feeling like you have to go through all the information. I'll show you exactly what you need to just focus on, and that's it. I'll give you some marketing tactics to get started fast, and, some cheap ways to get started and really make $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 off of just cheap marketing tactics. That's the cool thing about this business. You don't have to spend a bunch of money in marketing to make a bunch of money in this business. So, I show you that, you know what I mean? So, that's part of my course, first section and stuff like that. Showing you how to build a business, 5K plus a month, how to get started fast, a quick overview of the business so you understand exactly what you need to do. I've taken a lot of different courses on this business. I could say that my course is very in-depth and it's kind of giving you intricate details to be successful, that a lot of people will skip and won't tell you. They'll just put something out to show you the bare bones and basics of how to run the business, but there's a lot of little intricate details that you can make mistakes on along the way, and then you'll learn from the mistakes, but then, you missed out on a couple $1,000s where you could just learn that now and be like, okay, I need to approach it this way. I need to talk to a seller this way. I need to present myself this way. And now you're just making money right out the gate, 24 hours, 48 hours into my course. A lot of my students are making money 24, 48 hours into the course, which I'm going to have a lot more. I'm going to have some videos and testimonials of people crushing it all across the country, small markets, large markets, making money 24, 48 hours, making $2,000, $3,000 first month. I believe I have a student right now, $6,000 within the first 3 weeks, 4 weeks, which is phenomenal, right? So yeah, guys, that was that. All right, make sure to like, subscribe to this video, book a call with me. All right, peace.